responded on the 9th December 2020 as already stated in this judgment. The petitioner has not produced any evidence to rebut the presumption created by the publication of CI 135, for which his action must fail. We have therefore no reason to order a rerun as prayed by the petitioner as in relief F. We accordingly dismiss the petition as having no merit.
Yeah.
Mr. President.
Opportunity to thank the registrar of the court and also the staff for their support in getting the proceedings and meeting us as weekends to far purposes. We thank them too.
I just have one comment. I'm surprised that for the various teams, the frontline staff did not include every woman. Both the petitioner, the first respondent, the second respondent, your frontline legal representation did not include every woman, but there are ladies at the bar. And every effort should be encouraged. Is there any reason somebody like Shulamni Kapremu and former Attorney General should be able to explain why this thing should be encouraged in this day and age?
If your lawsuit will recall,
Frontline, you are for.
if your lawsuit will recall, on the first day, we proceeded to announce lawyers for the second respondent. And indeed, we did announce Shulamni Kapremu. When the court said no, we couldn't have more than 4. Because of the COVID protocol. Right.
Now we can carry on. They were good. Great.
Without merit.